Using Excel, I will show you how to calculate capital gain yield. To figure out capital gain yield, we first figure out yield to maturity. Yield to maturity equals what? Current yield plus capital gain yield. So, capital gain yield equals to YTM minus CY, current yield. Okay? Figure out yield to maturity first. Collect information. Number of year, 10. Interest rate, we do not know. This is our present value. We put in negative sign. Negative means cash outflow. Coupon payment, high value times 5.48%. Enter. High value 1000. YTM will be what? YTM will be 6.76%. Okay, let's figure out current yield. Current yield equals what? Annual coupon payment divided by current price. This will be our YTM. Let's figure out current yield. Annual coupon payment divided by current price. 909. Enter. This will be our current yield. Okay, so YTM minus current yield will be our capital gain yield, right? Enter. This will be our capital gain yield. Okay.